I don't like to think of myself as being involved in interfaith work. Because interfaith work, by definition, means there's different faiths, different religions, and we're trying to, why can't we all get along? And I've been saying this, anyone that's heard me over the past couple of days, I've been screaming this nicely, because I don't want people to run away. What I've been trying to say since I stepped foot in Isabella Friedman is that all stream is not that, why can't we all just get along? That never works, because we can't all get along if we're all different. And when the verse says, love your neighbor as yourself, love your neighbor as yourself, that means not seeing the other person as the other. If I see somebody else as the other, there will always be boundaries there. And we could try to be respectful and stuff, but if you're the other and you're different than me, then there's going to be an unbridgeable gap. The only way that we could really hope to work harmoniously is if I make v'ahavta l'reacha, that is what the Torah is saying, that is what the Bible is saying. Love your neighbor as yourself. Jesus said that's one of the two greatest verses. I don't remember the exact verse there in Matthew, but he says, love your neighbor as yourself and love God with all your heart and all your soul, is how Jesus saw the essence of all religion. And the Baal Shem Tov said the same thing. Loving other people and loving God are the essence of religion because they're the same. Because the way that we dissolve boundaries between ourselves is understanding that we all are, the ground of our souls is God. So it's not interfaith. What I like to refer to it as prefaith. It's the ground of what religions come from. It's the ground from which religions sprout. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam are paths to reach the one God, which is the ground of all our souls. So when I look now at ecology, and I look at the Pope's call for ecological conversion, the way that I relate to it, again, as a person that grew up in Long Island, that never was on a farm until Jordan bought one. I've never been on a farm,